So yesterday I started the topic mode. So what is mode? Before that I told you there are three kind of representative values. If you remember, I told you there are three kind of representative values. Please don't switch on your camera in between, okay, or I will have to expel you from the class now. But I'm repeating, don't worry. First tell me, okay, Kushal is saying mean median mode, Jitesh saying mean median mode, correct? So please explain mean and mode once again. Okay. Now see, I told you there are three ways to represent values. First way we have discussed is mean. So what you can do is you can have suppose 100 values, you can represent the 100 values with one value, that is mean. Mean is known as sum of all values divided by total number of values. But can you tell me what is the reason behind three ways? Why can't we have only one way? Why we are not happy with mean only? Why we need mode and median? Any idea? Why we are not happy? But I will explain, don't worry, Rian. Please tell me first why we need mean, why we need mode and median if we have mean with us. I don't know, Ashmit is saying. Okay, any idea, anyone, why we require three things when there three are representative values only? To understand better. Okay, Nana, little bit okay, you can say. The thing is to try the question more easily. No, beta, not the reason. To make it different. No, not different only. Okay, let's understand. We have different works for four-wheelers. Understand this analogy, because some things cannot. Very good, beta. Kanishka, you are correct that some things cannot be represented by other. So you have to understand which way is appropriate for your data. You have to understand which way is appropriate for your data. I told you that day, suppose I am teaching in the class, sister comes and she asks from a student, what is your mark? And that was not the best way. So the good way was to take the mean of whole class and tell to sister. That was the correct way. Similarly, there are other situations where mean is not okay. Abbas, beta, what happened? I'm explaining something. Now, please wait. When I'm explaining something, don't say anything. Okay, you are correct, Devanshi. Now see, I am telling you why we require mode and median when we have mean. The reason is everything can't fit all the scenarios. Suppose you have a four-wheeler, you have a car. Can you plow a field using a car, or you need a tractor for that? Tractor is also a four-wheeler, car is also a four-wheeler. What will you use to plow the field? Yes, class? What will you use? You will use a tractor or car to plow the field? You will use tractor because that four-wheeler is appropriate for field. Suppose you want to come in F1 racing. Suppose you want to come in F1 racing, what four-wheeler you will use? You will use tractor or car? You will use car. So this depends on the situation. This depends on situation you are facing. As per the situation, we take the particular four-wheeler. Similarly, as per the data, we take mean or median or mode. Okay, as per the data given to us or the situation, we take mean, median or mode. Vivan is saying, in homework you give the same question, so we have to write homework or classwork. Beta, let me clear this thing very first of all. So can we get the recording by request for more better understanding? Beta Abbas, I always upload the recording on my channel. This is not a new thing. This class is also getting recorded, beta. You will find this recording after 1 hour on my channel. Okay, you can check over there. Okay. Sir, the exercise you sent on NTAB 5.2. Oh, sorry, that is 3.2. My mistake. If I written 5.2, that is 3.2 only. Actually, chapter is same in class 8th and 7th. data handling. In there it is chapter 5, here it is chapter number 3. Don't get mistake, it is chapter 3 only. Okay, now let us take an example from NCERT only, why mode is required. Okay, let us take an example why mode is required. Let's see. Sir, what is the new name of your channel? The new name is Mathematics Simplified by MS. Mathematics Simplified by MS. Okay. Now see. Let's start. What is the issue? There is an example of, I think, a tailor. They are saying to find out weekly demand of different sizes of shirt. There is a shop of tailor. Persons are coming to the shop to buy shirt. So he made a data of that. He found that in a week, 8 people came. Sorry, 8 people came to buy size 90 centimeter shirt. 22 came to buy 95 centimeter. 32 persons came to buy 100 centimeter shirt. 37 came to buy this much. So what do you think? What is the most popular size that they are buying? Please tell. What is the most popular size that they are buying? Please tell. 105. Very good, beta. The most popular size that people are preferring is 105. So what do you think? That shopkeeper should keep 105 in maximum number, or he should keep all in equal numbers? The shopkeeper should keep which size shirt in the shop? 105 only. Now let's understand what is mean of this. The mean of this data is coming as 21, which means 21 shirt of each size. So will that be okay if you keep equal number of shirt of each size? Will that be okay? No, because the customers will come more for 105. After you have sold 21 shirts of 105, you are sitting idle. After you have sold 21 shirts of 105 size, you are sitting idle because no customer is coming for other shirts. So that is a waste of time. That is why finding mean in this particular data is not appropriate, because here you have to understand what is the maximum demand, and that can be found by the help of which quality, beta? Which number? Mode. Yes, class. Now what is mode? Mode is that value or that observation which comes maximum number of times. Mode is that value or that observation which comes the maximum number of time. Okay, class, are you able to understand this? In a given observations, mode is that value which is coming maximum number of times. So in the given question, in the given situation, what is mode? Please tell me. What is mode in the given values? It is 37, because there are 37 people who are coming for 105. So the mode is 37. Shopkeeper will understand this thing, that maximum people like 105 centimeter shirt. So he will keep that stock maximum in the shop, okay, to increase the profit. I hope you got this. I hope it is clear to you. So you can write the definition simply like this. Wait a second. We have done till this point yesterday. Yes. So let's start here. But other shirts he will also keep, but in less numbers. Okay, Sanvi. Others also he will keep, but in less numbers. What is meaning of mode? I'm telling you. Wait. Mode is the value or observation which yes, beta, this is your classwork, which is occurring most number of times, or you can say the value having maximum frequency is mode. So we have two definitions. You can say mode is the value or observation which is occurring most number of times. So if you have 10 values and in these 10 values there is one value which is coming 5 times, that is the mode of that all values. Similarly, you can say the value having frequency, the value having maximum frequency. Now it is clear, sir. I saying in register. Yes, beta. Sir, why the mode is not 105? Beta, 105 cannot be the mode because we are counting number of people who are coming to purchase that. That is in a single value 105. Okay. It can be in different cases. Now see, we have an example. Find the mode of numbers. Okay. Please tell me what is mode of these. Please tell me what is mode in this example. Okay, Lavya is saying 2 is mode, Sanvi is saying 8, Alan is saying 5, Sanvi is saying 8 again, Nana is saying 2 and 5, okay, Hazel saying 8. Let's count one by one. Okay, what you do is you write the numbers first. Numbers, telemarks, and finally frequency. Let's start. What are the numbers which we are getting? The numbers are 2 we are getting, 3 we are getting, 4 we are getting, 5, 6 and 8. These are the 6 values that we have in these observation. Now let's start counting. The 2 is coming 1, 2, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3 telemarks or 3. 3 is coming how many times? 1, 2. So 3 is coming 2 times. 4 is coming only 1 time. 5 is coming 3 times. 6 is coming 2 times. 8 is coming only 1 time. So those who said 8 is the mode, they were wrong because 8 is coming least number of times, that is 1 only. So the answer is mode is that number which is coming maximum number of times. Sanvi is saying 2, 5, Ebony 2, 5. Now you all are correct because 2 is coming 3 times and 5 is coming 3 times. So we can say there are 2 modes of this question and the answer is 2 and 5 both are mode of given values. I hope you got the concept. You have to understand, you have to count which value is coming the maximum number of times. That particular value will become your mode. Sir, can there be 2 modes in one question? Yes, beta. We call such as multimodal observations. Okay, that will be you study in class 9th also. So we can have more than one mode also. In this case, we have 2 modes, that is 2 and 5. Now, sir, please can you explain again? Okay, this is the data given to us: 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 8. We have learned how to find mean. To find mean, what we did, we added all the values upon total number of values. In mode, it is a different game. In mode, we just see which value is coming most number of times. And if you see 2 is coming 3 times, that is 3 is the frequency of 2. 3 is coming 2 times, so 2 is the frequency of 3. 4 is coming 1 time. Ashmit is saying no beta, that is not the answer in that case. Answer is that only which I told you. Okay, don't confuse yourself. We will understand with more questions. Thank you, Daksh. Thank you very much. Okay, 5 is saying again in 5 we have 3 values, so it is the frequency is 3. So you can understand these 2 values are coming 3 times, that is maximum number of times. Hence the answer is 2 and 5 both are mode. I hope you got this. So sir, mode is the value of finding maximum value. No beta, not maximum value, it is maximum number of times coming. Okay, not the maximum value. ये वो value है which is coming maximum number of times. Let us see one more example. Sir, how mode is similar to median? Don't worry, Abhas. We will discuss median in just some time. Okay? Don't worry. I will do it today only. Now let's see one more example of mode. I think this only is there. 1 second. Where is mode? This we have done. Okay. Now, second topic is median. Class, 1 second. One more topic is there. This was example number 6. Is there any example 7 also? No. Now, Manya is saying, please tell. Manya, what you are asking, beta? Manya, please ask again. What you are asking? Manya, please ask again. Manya? First, sir, we have to write in our register. Beta, don't waste time asking the same thing again and again. This is your classwork. Classwork is done in the registers only. If there is same question in the homework and classwork, you can do it only one time. Okay? Don't ask these questions again and again and don't waste time of class. Sir, median is part of chapter only. Yes, beta. Now, we have seen two situations. We have seen two values. First was mean, second was mode. So we understood mean was appropriate to find in the case of classes. Suppose we want to understand my performance in the classroom, I will go for mean. I will go for mean. But for the tailor, he will go for mode. For the car seller, the person who is selling a car, he will understand which car is sold the most. He will manufacture that car more. Yes, class? Any car maker, suppose Maruti will make that car more, which is being more in demand. So it will also go for mode. Yes, beta, it is that only, Rachit. Okay. So for different situations, we have different values. Now there is third situation. Tell me one thing. Suppose we have a class of 11 students, sorry, 10 students. Okay, tell me one thing. We have a class of 10 students and they all have height from suppose 4 feet to 6 feet. In ascending order, they are standing. We have a class of 10 students. Sir, always probability comes in fraction only. Yes, beta, it is always in fraction only. Maximum it is 1 by 1. Okay, don't ask anything right now. No? Let me tell you. Yes, beta, you have to do example also. Now see, please understand my example. I am trying to make a foundation for median. I am trying to make a foundation of median. Suppose there are 10 students in a class. All have different heights. Let me do it here. 1 second. We are trying to solve median now. Let me do it here. Okay. So suppose you have 10 students in a class. Mean we have done, mode we have done. Now we are discussing why we need median. Suppose there are 10 students. Standing in ascending order like this. Okay. So we have 10 students in a class. Tell me one thing. How can you divide them 5-5 so that the teams are equal? We want to make two teams of same or similar type. How will you make that? Please tell me. But I have not explained median till now. I am trying to explain by example. Okay. Now think. Suppose I go for mean. Suppose I go for mean. What will happen? Suppose its height is 4 feet. It is 4.2 feet, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5 feet, and this is 5 feet. Let's understand. Suppose my mean came as, yes, beta, you will take 5 students each. Good. No, beta, no PDF, only video. Now, suppose the mean came as 4.5. Suppose the mean of this 10 heights came as 4.5. If you make a team of 5, which is less than 4.5, suppose this 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.45, and the next 5 more than this one, that is 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and 5.0. Will these two teams will be similar, or will these two teams strength will be same? Is this method of making team is correct? No, because one team is having all shorter players and one is having all taller players. So teams are unequivalent. This is a cheating because this team of 5 which is having all taller will be stronger. Suppose it is a game of basketball. Suppose it is a game of basketball. It is not a good division. So in this data, mean or mode will not help you. In this data, mean or median will not help you. So we have to go for mode. We have to understand what is the median of this case. Okay, yes, beta, median. Now let's take example of NCERT only. See, let's read this. Let us take an example. Consider a group of 17 students. There is a group of 17 students. Their heights in centimeters given to you like this. Okay, the game teacher wants to divide the class into 2 groups so that each group has equal number of students. The game teacher wants to divide the class in 2 groups so that they have equal number of students. One group has students with height lesser than particular height and other has more than a particular height. Okay, in this case, different situation is there. They want a group in which there is a height less than and in a group where the height is more than. Okay, for that, if you find mean like this 113.5, you will get that there are how many values less than this? 106 is less than this, 1 value. 110 is less than that, 2 values. 112, 3 values. 110, 4 values. 5 values. Then we have 6 value and 7 value. So there are 7 values which are less than this. Now see which are more than this. 113.5, 123, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have got more than mean 10 and less than mean 7. That means we are not able to make equal groups using mean. Is it clear to you, class? Please explain again. Okay, I'm doing it again. Please do one side. Sir, please explain median again. Taller median mode. Okay, now see. Again, I'm explaining. In this example, there are 17 students. The sports teacher wants to divide them in 2 parts, such that in both the parts there are equal number of students. And the criteria is, in the first group, they should be less than a particular height. In the second group, they should be more than a particular height. Okay, again explaining, there are 17 students. Teacher wants to make 2 groups. First group having height less than a particular height and second group having height more than a particular height. We tried to find mean first. When we found the mean came as 113.5. When we tried to find mean, it came as 113.5. So when you compare the data with the mean, you found there are 7 students which are less than the mean value and there are 10 students. There are 10 students which are more than the mean value. So the groups are not equivalent. Hence, mean is not giving you the appropriate value. So we have to find a appropriate value. What will we do? We will make them stand in a ascending order. Class, what will we do? We will make them stand in a ascending order like this. Tell me what is the minimum number? Please tell me What is the minimum number? 1 second. Yes, the minimum number is 101. Yes, class. Okay, let's do it with our example. Easy one. The same question. Suppose the heights were 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. Suppose there are 11 students. Okay, it is same question. I have made it smaller. Now I have made them stand in ascending order. Now can you tell me what is the middle number? Can you tell me what is the middle number? Middle number is, beta, it can be divided in two parts, because in 17 the middle number will be the median height. Okay, in this question if you see there are 11 numbers, so first group will be of 5 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second group is also of 5 numbers. So this is the median, and we have got first group and second group. So you can understand this way the teacher was able to make two groups such that the height of first group is less than 16 centimeters and the height of second group is more than 16 centimeters. So what is this? This is the median, the middle value. Median is the middle value. If you keep all the observations in ascending order, median is the middle value. I hope you got this. Sir, it is very easy than we think. Yes, beta. So median is the middle value. If you keep standing all the numbers in ascending order, then median is the middle value. I hope you got this. Now, one more example I'm giving you. Please see. Suppose the weight of students is 35 kg, 30 kg, and suppose 25, 27, 23, 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, suppose 40. Now tell me, I want to again make two groups. In one group the weight should be less than particular weight, and in second group weight should be more than particular weight. What will you do first? Beta, we will do even number also. Sanvi, don't worry. Right now I am discussing only odd numbers. I will do that also, don't worry. First tell me what in this case. First we will arrange them in ascending order. Yes, beta. To find the middle number you should always arrange in ascending order. What is the first value? 25. Second value is 27. Sorry, 23 is the first value. Third value is, please tell, what is the third value? Sorry, fourth value. 27 is done. Fourth value is 30. Fifth value is 35. Sixth value 39, and seventh value is 40. So to find the middle number or the median, we find first the ascending order of given data, and then we see there are 7 numbers. So 3 will be the pairs, and this will be your median. So this way you got a group of weight less than 30 kg, and second group is more than 30 kg. So I hope you got this concept. How to find middle number if there are odd number of data. Yes, class, it is easy. So today we understood how to find median when there is odd number of data. Tomorrow we will understand how to find median when there is even number of data. Let us see an example of book only so that you can do the homework today. Let's see an example fast. Time is less. Okay, tell me what is median of this example. Please see the example 7. What is median of this example? Tell me fast. You have to arrange it first. Please tell me what is the median. You will arrange first in ascending order like this only: 17, 18, 24, 25, 26, 36, 46. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 values. So 3 will be gone. Answer is middle value, that is 25. All of you got this? Now you can try today's homework on your own. Tomorrow I will discuss more about this. Okay, till then please switch on your video. Sir, so in group we have 2 students of 30 kg. Go in second example. Yes beta, but 30 will go in nowhere. 30 is the median, 30 is the reference point. Okay, 30 will no go where. Okay class, switch on your videos.